Today we're going to be testing the best truck ever built. This is a 1996 K1500, one of only 300,000 built. It's got the 5-liter Vortec stuffed into this thing, pushing a massive 220 horsepower. This thing will haul anything you throw at it, as long as it's under 3,000 pounds. So it's basically a stock truck, except for the push bar, 33-inch tires, the 6-inch rough country lift, and custom exhaust. This truck is a survivor. It's got a very clean body, no rust. The diff has also been welded, but it'll have plenty enough power to do a burnout. Well, let's get to testing, see what you can do. Gotta turn this thing around here. Thing's got the turning radius of an 18-wheeler. As you can tell, the suspension is absorbing these bumps very well. So let's test out this push bar. Not bad, not bad. Camp Green Lake. Hasn't rained here since the day they killed Sam. Let's see what kind of clearance this thing has. Oh, let's put it in 4x4. Oh yeah, it's just sitting on the frame a little bit. let's see if it'll make it in two-wheel drive. All right, let's try to climb this rock in 4 high. Oh yeah, no problem. Trying to think of what I'm going to say. So overall, I think it did pretty good. Survived another day. I might make a part 2 if I can make it home with it. And if I had to rate it, I guess I'd give it a Ford 10 out of 10.
That's the end of your diff.
Yeah. Well, we didn't make it home. I put a hole through the cover of my diff. So it doesn't look like there's going to be a part 2.